So today I'm going to give you a quick overview of Google Jamboard. There is a more in-depth training on kite learning, which I strongly suggest you watch, especially if you want to use this as one of your features for remote learning, or even once we do get back into school. It's just a great tool to use. It's a virtual whiteboard. So first I'm going to show you where Google Jamboard is located. So if you go and you're in your Google Suite, and we have those little waffles up here at the top, use my pointer so you guys can see that. So here's a waffle up at the top. So when you click on the waffle, and you might have to scroll down quite a few because if you haven't used it ever, it would be here. And if you don't see it there, then I'll have to show you another way to get in, and I can definitely do that. At the end, there is a survey that you'll be able to fill out, and it will go directly to me, and then I can help support you with that. So what exactly is Google Jamboard? So I'm going to go ahead into a Google Jamboard right now. So this is an interactive whiteboard. I currently have it open in the Chrome browser. You can also download it on iOS or Android devices, and it does give you a few more features. With our new laptops, I'm trying to figure out how we can open it up in the app version, but I really haven't figured out how to do that yet, but I'll keep working. But if you use your stylus, it's great and it works very well. So over here, I'm going to click on my pen, and then you can choose these colors. There's not a crazy amount of colors. And I might say, what is Jamboard? When you use the mouse pad or an actual mouse, it's not quite as neat. But since we have the stylus, it works pretty well. It also has, this is your erase feature. So you can either erase it like that. Oops, I didn't really want to erase that. So I'm going to click back. You can also clear your frame because these are called frames. And if I didn't want to do that, I can click back. This is a select tool. Just like with your pointer. Here's where you can add sticky notes, and these are the different colored sticky notes that you could use. So I might type, what is Google Jamboard? And then once I have that, my sticky note goes in. I can move it around. I can make it larger. I can make it smaller. I can twist it. I can duplicate it. And then if I wanted to edit, I could just click in and edit. Right? And maybe that's my answer, so I'm going to change it. And so let's put it back normal, so I could go and I could put my answer below it. So there's some great tools. You also have an add image tool. So I'm going to do a Google image search, sticky notes, and I can go through and I can add my sticky notes. So you can add in images, which is pretty cool. And again, you can resize them and do some different things with them that way. I'm going to move it down. So these are called frames. So if you click up here at the top, your frame bar, you can use different frames, and you can add different frames. And if you go into the kite learning session, it gives you all these different ways that you can use Jamboard within your class. And since it is Google enabled, you can share it just like you would share a Google Doc. You can put it into your Google Classroom. You can make it view only. So that is a cool feature with that. So like I said, the kite learning is pretty easy to access. When you go into your Wake ID portal, you can see where I have the kite learning right here. And you click on that, you go to library, and then you can just type in Jamboard here. and then it will pop up right here. Now I will tell you, mine says view certificate because I've already taken the course. Quick, easy course to take. And I learned a whole lot, and I think you would really benefit from it if you'd like to try and use Jamboard within your classroom. So here's a survey that I created in case you need any more support with Google Jamboard. I'm going to leave it here for a moment so you can copy that down or take a screenshot of it. If you also would like a copy of this quick tutorial as far as the slide deck is concerned, you're more than welcome to email me, and I will email you the slide deck. M as in Mary, Priest, PRIEST at WCPSS.net. I look forward to jamming with you. Have a great day.